What is going on, guys? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up direct donations. A lot of people have been reaching out to me like, Troll, I'm not able to get monetized through Facebook or Twitch because I don't have enough followers yet to get in level up or affiliate. So how do I get people want to donate to me? How do I set that up before all the Facebook and Twitch stuff? So I'm going to walk you guys through it, how to get started. Direct donations coming up right now. All right, to set up direct donations, first we're going to open up our Streamlabs OBS, which I'm already in. Okay, we're going to come down here to our dashboard. We're going to give it a click. We're going to come down to settings. Okay. And what you're going to do is it'll say donation settings. Customize your tip page. So once somebody clicks, you're going to put this link in your bio or on your stream. When someone clicks it, okay, it's going to come up for them to be able to directly donate to you. Okay, so they can type in $1, $3, $5, $10, or any amount that you want to add to it. And all they got to do is click that donate button. They can add a GIF. They can, or GIF, as some people call it. You can add an effect. All kinds of cool stuff on here. All right. And it'll show and pop up on your stream as you're streaming for your donations. So you're going to have to link a PayPal or a credit card or some way for you to get paid. Okay? So make sure you set that all up. And then you can customize it in here, go in here and make it your own. You can design different things. Like I have whenever I'm live streaming, it'll come up my YouTube. Pretty cool stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to show you how to do the alerts for it also. For this next part, if you haven't seen my video on how to add alerts and custom alerts, you're going to have to want to go through that for this next process. But the short of it, we're going to add a source, a browser source, which I already have set up for my other video. Add source. We'll come down here to donations, because I already have it set up, and add source. All right, I'm going to bring this in the middle. Now, when we click test widgets, once we click donation, let's go. It'll give you a test. So that's what's going to be on your live stream. Again, if you see my other video, it'll show you how to customize the different alerts to you. If you like the little zombie guy, that's cool. You can leave it just how it is. Now, when anybody donates to you, it'll pop up live on your stream. Now, make sure whatever scene you're doing it in, so if I'm in my live scene, okay, that I'm playing my gameplay, make sure you have your donation on there, okay, because if you don't have it, so if I went in the horror hour, okay, I don't have donations on there. So if someone donates to me, it is not going to pop up in my live feed. So make sure whatever scenes that you have, okay, that you have the source donation or whatever alert you want in that. All right, guys, that is it for me today. If you enjoyed the video, how to set up direct donations on your stream, give that a thumbs up and hit subscribe for me. I got plenty more content coming for you guys on my How to Start Streaming series. Make sure you watch all the videos. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.